Hello and welcome to the Peak English channel. In this video, I have put my all videos together so you can listen and practice your English anytime and anywhere. I am so happy you're here again. It means you're serious about your English. It means you're showing up for yourself, and that's where everything begins. Today, we're going to practice spoken English using one of the most powerful techniques, shadowing. If you're new to shadowing, here's a quick reminder. You will hear me speak a sentence slowly and clearly. Then, I will pause so you can repeat it out loud, just like you're copying the flow of a native speaker. You're not just memorizing. You're training your voice, your rhythm, and your confidence. Shadowing may feel simple, but it's incredibly effective. Why? Because it creates real habits. It helps you think in English. It helps you speak without translating. It helps you sound natural. So, many learners ask me, how can I speak English fluently? The answer is right here. Listen, repeat, practice out loud every single day. Even 5 minutes of shadowing can make a big difference. You don't need perfection. You just need progress. So, wherever you are, at home, in your room, walking, studying, make this time yours. Forget about stress, fear, or grammar rules for a moment. Just speak. Feel your voice grow stronger, one sentence at a time. Are you ready to practice real English in a real way? Let's begin. So, listen to each sentence carefully, then repeat after me. The sun shines brightly through my window. The sun shines brightly through my window. The sun shines brightly through my window. I start my day with a grateful heart. I start my day with a grateful heart. I start my day with a grateful heart. I make my bed to feel organized. I make my bed to feel organized. I make my bed to feel organized. A warm glass of water wakes up my body. A warm glass of water wakes up my body. A warm glass of water wakes up my body. I love the smell of fresh coffee brewing. I love the smell of fresh coffee brewing. I love the smell of fresh coffee brewing. I take a few minutes to stretch my muscles. I take a few minutes to stretch my muscles. I take a few minutes to stretch my muscles. It is important to eat a healthy breakfast. It is important to eat a healthy breakfast. It is important to eat a healthy breakfast. I check my schedule for the day ahead. I check my schedule for the day ahead. I check my schedule for the day ahead. I feel ready to handle any challenge. I feel ready to handle any challenge. I feel ready to handle any challenge. I leave home with a positive attitude. I leave home with a positive attitude. I leave home with a positive attitude. You are doing wonderful. Just breathe. Let the words flow out of you. Don't worry if you miss a sound or a beat. Just keep going. Now, let's imagine we are stepping outside. Let's talk about daily life and interactions. The bus is usually on time today. The bus is usually on time today. The bus is usually on time today. I enjoy listening to music while I walk. I enjoy listening to music while I walk. I enjoy listening to music while I walk. Could you tell me where the nearest bank is? Could you tell me where the nearest bank is? Could you tell me where the nearest bank is? I would like to order a sandwich, please. I would like to order a sandwich, please. I would like to order a sandwich, please. This book is very interesting to read. This book is very interesting to read. This book is very interesting to read. It is nice to meet you finally. It is nice to meet you finally. It is nice to meet you finally. Let's go for a short walk outside. Let's go for a short walk outside. Let's go for a short walk outside. The weather is perfect for a picnic. The weather is perfect for a picnic. The weather is perfect for a picnic. I appreciate your help very much. I appreciate your help very much. I appreciate your help very much. I will call you back in a few minutes. I will call you back in a few minutes. I will call you back in a few minutes. Pause for a second. Feel that? That is your confidence growing. You are not just repeating words, you are becoming a speaker. Now, let's practice the most important part, your mindset. Believe these words as you say them. I am patient with my own progress. I am patient with my own progress. I am patient with my own progress. Learning a language takes time and effort. Learning a language takes time and effort. Learning a language takes time and effort. I don't worry about making small mistakes. I don't worry about making small mistakes. I don't worry about making small mistakes. Mistakes show that I am trying something new. Mistakes show that I am trying something new. Mistakes show that I am trying something new. I speak slowly to be understood clearly. I speak slowly to be understood clearly. I speak slowly to be understood clearly. My confidence grows with every practice. My confidence grows with every practice. My confidence grows with every practice. I enjoy discovering new words daily. I enjoy discovering new words daily. I enjoy discovering new words daily. I am proud of myself for studying today. I am proud of myself for studying today. I am proud of myself for studying today. I believe in my ability to succeed. I believe in my ability to succeed. I believe in my ability to succeed. Today is another chance to improve. Today is another chance to improve. Today is another chance to improve. Amazing work today. You showed up. You practiced, and you took one more step toward becoming a confident English speaker. Remember, fluency doesn't happen all at once. It happens slowly, quietly, sentence by sentence. The more you shadow, the more natural your speaking becomes. So, keep going. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect accent. Start with what you have and let it grow. Use this video daily. Shadow it again. Speak aloud. Feel the rhythm, the words, the clarity. You're not just learning English, you're becoming a speaker. I'm proud of you. Keep speaking, keep believing, and I'll see you in the next video.